Hi, in this video, let's see how we can generate multiple images using the Imagen library. In the previous video, we have seen how to generate one image, and the disadvantage of generating only one image is that if you're not satisfied with the image results or like what you are expecting, again you have to rerun so that it will, because of by default randomness, it will try to create a kind of a different pose image like that. I mean, until you get satisfied, you have to keep on continuously executing the program. So instead of that, if you can create like multiple images at one time, so you can select one of the pics out of that. And again, if in case if you're still not able to, not interested, you can still you have to still run that one. So in this video, let's see how we can run the multiple images. And again, my entire sessions are like based on like more on the coding part. So I'm not kind of a person who goes into theoretical part mode. You can understand the theoretical part by executing the code. So let's go ahead. So as like we already know, let's start with this one. From Google, import GenAI from Google dot collab, import user data from Google dot GenAI, import types from PIL, import image from input output, import bytes, input output. Let's get our API key is equal to user data dot get Google API key, and let's initiate the client. Client is equal to GenAI dot client. API key is equal to API key. Okay, this is cool. And now let's generate this one. Response is equal to, as like I said earlier, 90% of the times the code is like similar for anything, so it's very easy to learn the generative AI. Response is equal to, especially the image, the audio, the video part, and we will see, I mean, we will get to know the rest as well. Response is equal to API, sorry, client dot models dot generate images. I mean, this is the difference. I mean, we are going to use image and model, so we have the code will slightly change. Images model is equal to Imagen 4.0, generate preview 0606. And instead of the contents, we have to use the prompt here. And I'll say like a robot. What we exactly said? A robot holding a red skateboard. Okay, so let's say config is equal to types dot generate images config number of image. Until then, until here, the previous video and this video is same. So instead of one image, we are going to generate the four image. And you may have get this question like, why I have not told you like earlier in this one. I'm kind of person who prefers to explain everything in detail, and like each and every topic, it should differentiate with the previous one. So instead of like confusing you within one video, right? So print response dot generated images. So we have got our generated images over here. And then what I'm going to do, so here the image, under the generated images we have the image, and then this is the one, so we have to show like show. So let's see. Okay, so I'm commenting this one, so let's keep like for generated image in response dot generated images, generated image. Again, you don't have to remember anything. Generated image dot, here there is an image and I would like to show. Let's see whether it should be able to generate like four images or not. Okay, cool. Okay. So the maximum number of images that this Imagen model can generate is four. So you can see it has generated this video, this image, this third image, and the fourth image. Now, whichever the image you like, you can take a snapshot of that and you can use this one. So this is how simply you can generate the images by using the AI artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching this video.